So over here, you can actually see that I have an audio file right here, and you can see that it has a certain level of loudness. So I am going to go ahead and let's say, for example, convert this audio so that it has a certain level of loudness only while exporting through Adobe Media Encoder without prior editing. So to do that, you can click on the plus button and select out the audio right here. So I'm going to set the target as audio waveform. You can do the same with the video files with audio for this as well. So I'm just going to go around over here, select out waveform audio, let's say for example, because I just want to export audio right now. And then under effects, you can go ahead and scroll down. And here you can see that loudness normalization is an option right here. You can go ahead and enable it right here. And you can choose the loudness standard right here, just like this. So you can set the tolerance level and you can see that the max peak level can be set right here. You can go ahead and choose as you want right here, just like this. So let me just select the EBU R128. You can also change the tolerance and the max peak level if you want right here. Press OK, and then now I'm going to go ahead right here and convert. So it's converted as welcome_1. Let's just go around over here onto addition and then bring in this audio right here. If I were to, let's say, bring this in, you can see that the audio level for this is much more smaller right here because it controls out the loudness while exporting from Adobe Media Encoder. So that is simply how you can go ahead and then use the loudness normalization. So if I were to go ahead, let me just mute this and play this out. Hello and welcome to the loudness. The loudness right here is much more controlled. So let me just mute it and play this. You can see that this is much more louder. Hello and welcome to TutorTube. So that is what you have. So that is how you can go ahead and then use the loudness normalization inside of Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.